Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, in this video, we will learn how to solve examples of question bank from question number 4, chapter Arithmetic Progression. First example, a merchant borrows rupees 1000 and agreed to repay its interest of rupees 140 with the principal in 12 installment, each installment being less than preceding one by rupees 10. Find the amount of first installment. This example is based on arithmetic progression. So here the borrowed amount is the principal amount and 140 is the interest. So the total sum that is Sn is equal to the borrowed amount, that is principal amount, plus interest 140, which is equal to 1140 rupees. This amount is total sum which is going to be paid in the installment. So here in this the example is based on arithmetic progression. Now since the installment is being less by rupees 10 every month, so first is A equal to, we have to find the first installment, then n number of installments are total number of 12 installments, monthly installment, 12 installment, this amount is going to be paid. Each amount, every month is becoming less by rupees. Each amount is being, by presiding each installment is less by rupees 10. So it is, here D is minus 10. D is equal to negative, D is minus 10. Since it is becoming less by 10 rupees every month, we have to find A. So by Sn formula, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, Sn 1140 is equal to n number of installments are 12 upon 2 in bracket 2a and plus n 12 minus 1 into d is minus 10. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Therefore 1140 is equal to 6 into 2a plus 12 minus 1 11 into minus 10. Therefore 1140 is equal to 6 into 2a minus 11 tens are 110. Therefore 1140 upon 6 is equal to 2a minus 110. Dividing 1140 by 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, carry 5, 6 nines are 54, 0. Therefore 2a is equal to 190 plus 110. Therefore 2a is equal to 190 plus 110 is 300. Therefore a is equal to 300 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0. Therefore a is equal to 150 rupees. So the first installment paid by merchant is rupees 150. Seventh example, T21, find T21 if S41 is equal to 4510 in an AP. So we know that for an AP arithmetic progression, Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, for n is equal to 41, S41 is equal to 41 upon 2, the bracket 2a plus 41 minus 1 into d. At the place of n, put the value n is equal to 41. Therefore, S41 is given as 4510. Therefore, 4510 is equal to 41 upon 2 into 2a plus 41 minus 1, 40d. Now, 4510 is equal to 41 upon 2 into, you can take common here, 2 1s are 2 and 2 into 20, 40. So 2 you can take common in the bracket, a plus 20d. Therefore, here 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 will get cancelled. 4510 divided by this 41 is into multiplication. It will come on left hand side, it will get divided by 4510 is equal to a plus 20d. Therefore, can 41 1s are 41, 41 1s are 41, carry 4, 41 1s are 41, 0. Therefore, a plus 20d is equal to 110. This is our equation number first. Now, for an AP, for an arithmetic progression, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So, for n is equal to 21, for n is equal to 21, T21 is equal to a plus 21 minus 1 into d. Putting n is equal to 21, therefore T21 is equal to a plus 21 minus 1 is 20 d. Therefore, a plus 20d is equal to 110. So, from 1, T21 is equal to 110 when from equation number 1. Eighth example, in an AP, T10 is 57 and T15 is 87, find T21. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference of an AP. So, for an AP, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, for n is equal to 10, T10 is equal to a plus 10 minus 1 into d. Therefore, T10 is given as 57 is equal to a plus 9d. Equation number first. Now, for n is equal to 15, T15, putting the value of n in Tn formula, T15 is equal to a plus 15 minus 1 into d. So, T15 is given as 87. 87 is equal to a plus 14d. Equation number second. Now, taking both the equations together, a plus 9d is equal to 57, equation number 1, and a plus 14d is equal to 87, equation number 2. Solving these two equations simultaneously, we will subtract the equation minus a minus 14d and minus 87. So, a minus a will get cancelled. 90 minus 14d is equal to minus 5d. is equal to 57 minus 87 is equal to minus 30. So 5D is equal to 30. Therefore D is equal to 30 divided by 5. 5 1 are 5, 5 6 are 30. Therefore D is equal to 6. Now put this value of D in equation number 1. Put D is equal to 6 in equation first. Therefore equation 1 is A plus 9D is equal to 57. Therefore A plus 9 into 6 is equal to 57. Therefore A is equal to A plus 9 6 are 54 is equal to 57. Therefore A is equal to 57 minus 54. 57 minus 54, which is equal to 3. Now A is equal to, therefore A is equal to 3. Now for an AP, for an arithmetic progression, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So for n is equal to 21, n is equal to 21, T21 is equal to, you have to find T21, A is equal to 3 plus 21 minus 1 into D is equal to 6. Therefore T21 is equal to 3 plus 20 into 6. Therefore T21 is equal to 3 plus 26 are 120. Therefore T21 is equal to 123. So 21st term of an AP is 123.